How to use Siri on iPhone without internet connection. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Apple offers a few features that don't require an internet connection while using Siri. Some voice commands are handheld entirely on device. So make sure that you have enabled Siri on your device, and if not, then firstly ensure that Siri is enabled. To do that, you can go to settings and further tap on Siri and then enable Siri. Once you have enabled Siri on your device, simply you can use commands such as "Hey Siri, set a timer," and with this the timer will be set. Or you can also say commands such as launch apps, or you can ask Siri to enable airplane mode, dark mode, do not disturb mode, etc. You can also ask Siri to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and other settings. Siri also increases and decreases the volume and the screen brightness based on your command. So these were a few commands that you can use on Siri iPhone without internet connection. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.